The old Pattonsburg High School. Jessica's already inside. Broken glass everywhere.
I mean, they just
Old wall
abandoned
phone.
it because it's still the stuff that was here. They just left.
Yeah. Like, what's this book?
I know, I saw that too. There's a newspaper in there.
I'm gonna open it. I don't know.
And we replaced that floor, remember?
Wow. That used to be the office. Wow. Definitely getting destroyed. This used to be the superintendent's office. What's odd is it still smells like the school.
Yep.
That right there is where the registers were, and superintendent was back in there. Okay. Just kind of making sure we don't fall. So this was the gymnasium.
This is where we had all of our music performances and everything.
That was
And that led over to the high school. That
high
door
school
over there.
went that way. Stage. I always thought the gym was bigger
Yeah, there's
because
only
I
like
was just a
seven-
short little fat thing that had to run up and down it.
There's only 7 stairs.
This was the home side and visitor side over there. See, the gym floor is still there. Even the paintings that had each school listed, and then there's the scoreboard. And this is the cafeteria.
This is where the teacher's table was.
Yeah, teachers always sat right over here. And then we had seating over here. If you go into this room, this was the band / music room. Wow, this still smells like the band room. Don't know who disposed of their mattresses here.
I'm gonna die from all this asbestos or something.
But that's where we had band and music, and that even looks still decent, which is crazy. The carpeting on the side of that.
Yeah, we spent so many years just sitting right there playing pieces.
Instruments we always stored up in here.
And our marching costumes.
Marching uniforms up in here.
Oh, that bulletin board's gone. The chalkboard's gone.
Okay, this is the cafeteria.
So this is where we would put our food trays away.
Yeah, right here. And when we're done eating, you put your food here. So we'll go this way because this is how we would come in. So high school came in over there. Elementary came in through these doors.
Right by the giant penis.
The giant, oh, I didn't see that. And
Milk lady was there.
it stinks over here. So yep, milk lady, you'd get right here, get your milk and pay for your lunch. Then walk in here. Ugh, it stinks in here. And there was a thing right here where you would get your food.
I thought the kitchen was way bigger.
I always thought it was way bigger too. You go out those doors to eat your food. Okay, I really hope we have enough battery for this. These are the doors you came in if you came into elementary or if you ever came into a ball game. Of course, they lead right here to the cafeteria and the gym. But if you go this way, you've got the elementary principal was right over here.
This is where I spent a lot of time in this office.
She did. And then this is the elementary hallway. This was the counselor's office. Even still says counselor up there. These are the front doors to the elementary. Here's your kindergarten classroom.
No, this was the teacher's lounge.
Oh, it was?
Mm-hmm. Remember the copier, and there was like a shelf here, and there. Yeah, this is the teacher's lounge. There's a lot of hay and stuff in here, so I wonder if they put animals in there.
Here, okay, yeah, here's the kindergarten room.
Yep.
Man, I remember this room.
Yep. We both went to kindergarten here.
I don't want to necessarily go in there.
And mostly
they have their own bathrooms.
All look the same pretty much.
Yeah. Bunch of computers.
Yeah.
In here, that's crazy. But that's kindergarten, and this hallway, as we walk down, just in case it dies, this is the entire elementary school.
And Mom's office was at the very end to the right when she did special ed.
Yes. This one right here was the art room.
Yep.
And like she said, they're practically all exactly the same. But we're gonna...
There's all this like weird black melty stuff. Maybe it's from the fire.
I bet it's from the fire. I just don't know where all this furniture came from.
That's, yeah. First grade.
First grade.
Oh, there's the bathrooms. I found
Yep,
a giant
so
spider in that bathroom one time.
Was the girls' bathroom.
Oh yeah, let's go look at this.
Oh my gosh.
So many
It stinks in here.
Yeah, this is crazy.
Of course, the toilets were not like that. We had stalls, but
Right, and it was pink and
this was the sinks. Yeah. I remember one time I went to the boys' bathroom after school because I just thought I was going to get in trouble. This was like a janitor's closet, obviously. And then boys' bathroom is exactly the same, just blue. So this would have been, we didn't have a first grade, so this is first grade?
No, it's second grade.
Where'd first grade go?
We saw it already.
Oh, we did?
Yeah, look at the...
Second grade. So this
So
was
this is where Mrs. Swope fell through the chairs when she was standing right here. She fell through a chair right here. That was funny.
Mrs. Swope's classroom.
I got in trouble for writing fuck on this wall.
You did?
I did.
A lot of great memories in this classroom, though. One of my favorites, second grade. And to show Jana, this was my second grade room.
Yeah.
Nothing like yours.
Much different.
And so over here to the left was the janitor's basement, the boiler room.
Oh, yeah.
And it seemed a lot scarier and deeper, like it went down forever, but that's definitely not the case.
Yeah.
If we have battery, we'll go down there.
It's getting wet over here.
So, third grade, here.
Well, we can just pass all the grades and go down.
Yeah, we don't necessarily, like, they are exactly the same. I mean, you can't look in the room without knowing what it was. Just a memory for us to go in there and know what room it was. 5th and 6th grade.
Oh, look at 6th grade.
Man.
And this is Mom's room.
Yeah, this was Mom's classroom. So this was special education.
And storage.
And yeah, a lot of storage. So.
Oh, I feel like maybe they did keep animals or something in here.
I think they did too. So yeah, this was my
They did, because look at that.
mom's classroom.
They drank out of that. There was food in there. Yeah, they had animals in here.
Interesting. How dangerous is that?
How awful.
And then that's the door we go out to go to the playground.
And the ball field.
And the ball field.
Yeah. We spent a lot of time on those steps.
Yeah. So yeah, here's the elementary school for Pattonsburg, Missouri.